In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Big Cartel. Whether you want to update your account for security purposes or simply feel it's time for a refresh, I'll guide you through each step of the process. Let's get started. First, open up Big Cartel and head to your main dashboard. From here, you'll be able to access all sorts of settings and features, but for now, we're focused on getting into the account section. You can locate this by looking towards the top of your dashboard. You'll see an option labeled Account. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Account section, you're going to want to scroll down a bit. Here you will look for the section labeled Personal Information. This is where you can manage and update all your key account details. When you find Personal Information, direct your attention to the option that says Edit Your Profile. Clicking on this will let you access a range of personal settings, which of course includes your password. Now that you're in the Edit Your Profile section, look for the option that reads Change Your Password. Go ahead and click on that. You're almost there. Changing your password is an important step, especially if you suspect any unusual activity on your account or simply wish to keep it secure by updating it regularly. After clicking Change Your Password, the system will prompt you to enter your current password. Type in your existing password and then proceed to enter your new password. Choose a strong and memorable password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, if possible. This practice not only reinforces your security, but also makes it less likely that someone could guess your password easily. After you have entered your new password, make sure to re-enter it in the provided field to confirm it. Once everything looks good, make sure to click on Save to finalize your changes. It's always a great idea to double-check that everything is correct before you save, just to ensure there aren't any hiccups later on. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your password on Big Cartel. It's a quick and effective way to enhance the security of your account, keeping your business and personal information safe. Thank you for joining me in today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other content for more tips and tricks on managing your Big Cartel account. Have a great day, and remember to update your passwords regularly to maintain a secure online presence.